All right, we've come to the outro. Now, the outro, I've got to say, is a bit of a mess. Really here, it's been a song about dynamics. It's been up, down, the chorus is just belting, and being as the theme is sort of about this breathe, so hard to breathe, kind of just let myself run out of breath, which is a little silly. Probably change it. But the idea is it just brings it back down, and then just, you don't need to do anything crazy with an outro. It's people put a lot of time and effort into how to finish, and all the people remember is your chorus. So don't get stuck on it. Do a fade out. If you can't think of anything else, just do your verse or your melody or whatever and just fade out. All right. That is the outro in a nutshell. No real lessons on that one. Just muck around.